How to log an ING Direct online banking account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in into ING Direct online banking account. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your browser. And in the search bar, go ahead and type in myaccount.ing.com. After that, you'll end up in the login page of ING Bank. You can easily access to your account by entering a username in the first text box. So make sure to type in correct username and then on the next field, type in your correct password. If in case you don't remember your password or your username, you can get help by clicking on Lost Your Login Details link right next to the login button. If you would like the system to remember your name, click on this little box that says Remember Me and make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or shared device. So after you're done with everything, go ahead and finally click on the login button and then you will be able to access your ING Direct account online. And that is how you do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned till our next upload.